Hi guys, it's Miss Amy, and today we are going to make our first Christmas craft. So we're going to make these cute little tissue paper wreaths. So what you need is a piece of cardboard or cardstock, something stiff, cereal cardboard, even regular corrugated cardboard works. You're going to cut it in a circle so you can trace a bowl, a small bowl, or whatever. To cut the center out, you can fold it in half. If it's corrugated cardboard, it's not going to fold in half, but you can cut another circle and have someone help you cut it out. But you're going to cut the circle out of the center, and you're going to cut the whole circle out of your paper. Then what you need to have is some green not construction paper, tissue paper. It doesn't matter what color green. You could use more than one color green. I have a bunch, and I just have it cut into little rectangles. And what I'm going to do is I am going to, you also need red for your bow. And you're going to just make a simple bow, okay? Like that. So, and I'll show you how to do it. So what you're going to do is I'm going to put glue on part of that. I'm not going to put it on the whole thing, because if I put it on the whole thing, it'll dry before I get my stuff on. And each piece of tissue paper is going to get scrunched, just like that, and then stuck. Okay? So you're just going to scrunch and stick. Okay? Scrunch and stick, and just stick them all over. Scrunch, stick, and fill it all in. All ages can do this. It's satisfying to scrunch and to paste. It kind of really makes a great texture. This one is so old that I've done this so many times that it's super flat. Like, you can see how squished it is. This is going to be much prettier because it's going to have some texture, because it's going to be sticking out like it's supposed to be. And we'll have some depth to it. So you can see already, and look how it's different than this, which is all flat, because it's just been squished in a folder, because I put it away every year before I do it again. So I'm just going to keep going with this, okay, all the way around. I'm going to get some more tissue paper out here. I have more. Okay, let's see. That is enough there. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going around, scrunch, scrunch, like this. All the way around, like that. I'm going to do one here. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Another quarter of the way around. Scrunch it and place it. Scrunch and place. Scrunch and place it. And they don't have to be perfect squares, they just need to be little chunks that you can scrunch up. And so that's two. To make sure that I have enough room like that. Scrunch in here. Like that. There we go. And then I'm going to do the last little bit, get that on there, scrunch, finish it up. So this is super easy to do, and it really will look pretty when we're all done putting this on. Another one. There we go. Alright, that one is not quite. There we go. Okay, so here is my wreath, and then what I need to do is I'm going to do this. So on red paper, you're going to make 2 circles right next to each other and then connect them with a line. So you'll have 2 circles like this and lines in between, okay? And then you do 2 lines down on either side for the bows, for the tails of the bow, like this. And you can take it one step further after you do that, and you can cut a triangle out of the bottom to make it look fancier. Okay, so like this, and this goes just like this, and there. All right, and there we are. And what I'm going to do is like this, just like that. Okay, and there is my pretty bow. And what I'm going to do, you can make it out of paper or felt, or this is actually the ribbon that goes on, that comes on wreaths. I recycled the ribbon that came on last year's wreath, and I cut it out to make the wreath ribbon for this activity. So there's lots of different ways that you can recycle and repurpose. So it's kind of cool. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my wreath, my bow, right at the bottom. So you can have your bow at the bottom, or like this one, you can have your bow at the top. Either way, you get a really pretty little simple wreath. So first Christmas craft of the holiday season. Hugs to you all. Happy crafting. Miss Amy.